Updating your email address on Postmates is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Open the Postmates app. Launch the Postmates app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu option, usually located in the top corner of the app. From the menu, select Account or Settings to access your account details. Step 3. Select Email Address. In the account settings, look for the option labeled Email or Email Address. Tap on it to begin the process of updating your email. Step 4. Enter new email. Input your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure the email is entered correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, look for a Save or Update button and tap it to confirm your changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the update. Once you've completed these steps, your email address will be updated on Postmates. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Postmates customer support for assistance.